My friends, I have a friend who uses Adobe Premiere Pro and knows that I have taught Premiere Pro in the past. Sorry, I've not been keeping up doing new tutorials, but I've done a lot of them online. And this friend was telling me about the fact that they had a lot of audio tracks and video tracks, and they wanted to cut in places, and sometimes they got frustrated trying to cut each individual track. And I told them all you got to do is hold the Shift key down. So I'm going to go ahead and just show, for the sake of my friend, how this works. So let's see, I've got one of my guitar videos here on screen, and you see I have a whole bunch of audio. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different audio tracks, and I've got the track muted over here. The M is done. Yeah, say I want to cut this bit out right here, right? All I have to do, I hit the C key, the C to change my cursor. See, it turns my cursor there turns into a cutting tool, right? If I click the V, it goes back to a pointer. Of course, you can go over here and you can select that, also the razor tool, or again, you go back over here and click that to turn back into the selection tool or the V. You see, you got your little shortcuts there. But instead of just clicking, this is what my friend was saying. I had to do this, etc. Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. I'll just undo all that. So let's say we want to cut this whole little section right here out. Just you get your razor tool, get your razor tool selected, so hit C, and then hold your Shift key down and just click the top one, and look, it cut every single one of those. Let's say I want to go here and cut all this here too, and you just do the same thing again. Hold your Shift key down there, then you hit your V key to turn it to selection. You can just select that, and well, you can select it and do delete. I hit the delete key, and then you can just do a ripple delete here. Right click and do a ripple delete, and there you go. Command Z. I'm going to undo that. I'll just undo those cuts and all too. But that is the way that you pull that off. That's all there really is to it, and it does save you a lot of time. Yeah, until I realized I could hold the Shift key down, I wasted a lot of time in myself in various times. Sometimes I have 4 or 5 tracks of video and 3 or 4 or 5 tracks of audio and music and stuff, beds and whatever. But yeah, that'll get you moving a whole lot faster in your editing there. I hope that they find that helpful, and anybody else in the world. If you have any questions about Premiere Pro, maybe I'll get back on the horse and start making some more tutorials. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.